Hi, this is going to be a makeup review and demonstration, and I have got 3 products by L'Oreal Paris, and this is their 3-step lip spa. So we've got a lip scrub, a lip plumper, and we've got a lip tint oil as well. So those are what they look like there, which I'll talk about in detail. And I'll try them on. I haven't tried them yet. I haven't even opened them up, so the seal is still there. So I wanted to do it on camera. So I have seen these. They've been around for about a month or so now, and I just thought it's just a really nice thing for the lips. I got them in Superdrug. They're on offer at the moment for 3 for the price of 2. The tinted lip oil and the lip scrub are both £8.99 each, and the lip plumper is £9.99. I basically got one of these for free, which is good value, I think, anyway. So what do they claim to do? We start off with the lip scrub. So this is in shade Peach Twist. I'll just open it up. I hate it when you peel off a sticker and then you're left with sticky mess. Any tips on how to get rid of it? That would be really appreciated. So it comes like a lipstick form. That's what that looks like there. You can see. What I really love about this is the fact that it can be applied like a lipstick, as opposed to a lot of lip scrubs I've had in beauty subscription boxes where they come in little pots and then you put your finger in and then massage it all in. This is just in a stick, and it's a sugar stick, so you know it's fine if you want to lick it or if a little bit goes in your mouth, but oh, I can't wait to use it. I will try it in a little while, but the smell is gorgeous. Now these come in 3 scents, so this one is, as I said, it's Peach Twist. Then you've got Melon Breeze, which I was umming and ahhing whether to get or not, but oh, if I really like this, I'm going to get the melon one next because I love melon smells. And then the last one is Berry Breeze, and that was quite a nice smelling fruity one as well. So L'Oreal says that this sugar scrub melts into lips to nourish and moisturise and is enriched with shea butter. So I'll try that in a little while. We'll go on to the next step. So this is the Plumping Lip Primer. I have said that so many times wrong. So this is the 2nd step in the lip spa routine, and this costs £9.99. One of the main reasons I was excited to get this is the fact that it's a mattifying I can't talk today. Mattifying primer for your lips, or you can apply it on top of a shiny lipstick to create a matte finish on that as well, which is wonderful. L'Oreal says that it creates fuller, poutier lips in an instant, and in this video I'm going to use it underneath the actual 3rd step in the spa. So this is a tinted lip oil, and this costs £8.99, and I've got it in shade, it is Jelly something, where does it say? Jelly Peach. So that's what that looks like there. So a nice rounded sponge applicator there. And it's got a smell to it as well. It does smell like peaches. L'Oreal claim that this will give you a subtle shine finish. It's a weightless tint in an oil, enriched with natural oils for ultimate hydration, and it's available in 4 shades. You've got Hot Cerise, then Pom Pom Pink, and then Sugar Plum. Now the colours are very similar. When I was looking through them and seeing the testers which one to go for, I went for these ones first because I like wearing peachy, corally, orange, reddy type tones on my lips anyway. But I did have a look to see what the others were like, and they seem to be quite similar, so no dramatic differences in shades as such. They are a subtle colour, so they're not going to change your lips dramatically, but you want to go for a colour that you're going to like, obviously. So I've gone for this one because I know it will probably suit me. So let's try all 3 of them together and see what it's like on my lips. So I'm going to zoom you in a bit. So first I'm going to use a scrub. I've never done this before, so this is obviously a first impressions and a review. So oh, it feels really nice. I was expecting it to feel more exfoliating, but hold on. Oh, it's nice. It is subtle. It's not scratchy. You can feel little bits in there, and you can feel that it is gently exfoliating your lip. Right, a taste test. I know you're not supposed to taste it, but I always do. No, it's fine. It's fine. Only because some lip scrubs I've tasted accidentally have been disgusting and really horrible. But no, this is nice. I am left with sugar on my lips, so I'm going to just lick them. Oh, it just feels like a gorgeous moisturising lip balm in a lovely smell. Right, onto the lip plumper. So I'm assuming this works really well after doing this because I've just brought blood to the surface of my lips and they've you know, they're exfoliated, so any dead skin and everything is gone. Applying this is going to enhance that even further, as opposed to if I didn't do the exfoliating first. I think, yeah, now that I'm going to apply this, I'm anticipating a bit of tingliness. But let's have a go, let's see. It's got a funny, almost a little bit medicinal sort of taste to it, I suppose, and smell. It's not strong, but it does smell a little bit weird, and the taste is a little bit weird as well, so I wouldn't recommend licking it like what I always do to my product. My lips on camera look like they've changed in colour. They look like they've gone quite pink. Oh my gosh. They do look like they've changed. They do look like they've changed. What I've noticed is that there's a little bit of a white residue, but it's easy to come off. I think they are plumping a bit, but I just can see the colour on, sorry, I should show you my face really, my eyes, but I can see on the viewfinder that my lips look quite pinky. So it's definitely bringing the blood to the surface. They do feel like they're plumping, and that's quite instant really. I noticed straight away the mattifying effect. It's weird. I don't know if you can tell. I can tell. It's not dramatic, but yeah, it's definitely something going on. So next for the tinted lip oil. Oh, that feels so nice. Oh my word. Now this is pink. This is not what I was expecting. This is pink. They feel weird. They just feel weird. If I put too much on. So as with all lip tints, oils, etc., you know they're not going to last long. You know as soon as you take a bite in your sandwich or have a cup of tea or something, it's going to transfer easy. But I can see how the 3-step works all in conjunction with each other. It's just, you've got the lip scrub that exfoliates and gets rid of dead skin cells and starts bringing blood to the surface of your lips. Then you've got that plumper, which has changed my lips to a pinky colour and has definitely plumped them out a bit. I do feel it. So for the 3 of them, you're looking at just under £30. I paid just under 20, but do I think it's worth it? And is there enough of a change for me to possibly go out and buy any more or anything like that? I think this oil, it feels absolutely gorgeous. The colour, I would have liked it to be more of a coral colour because it has made my lips turn more pink. It is bizarre, isn't it? It is a bit weird. I absolutely love this. I think if anything, if I was going to buy just one more item, it would be this one and the melon one. Gorgeous, gorgeous. It just feels so nice on your lips, and I would incorporate that into my daily skincare routine. So I apply a lip gloss anyway, a clear treatment lip gloss, a Skin Chemist one, before I put any lipsticks or anything on. But this, it would be beautiful. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. The lip plumper, again, that is just so cool. I think that is amazing. I can't wait to see what it's like with different colours. I'm going to try, like, I like wearing red lipstick, so actually applying a bright red lipstick and seeing what my lips look like after I've applied this on top, because it's supposed to mattify a shiny lipstick and it's also to plump your lips. So I am really impressed. I wasn't expecting much, to be honest, with this one. And it being the most expensive one as well out of the 3, but no, it is quite nice. I think as a 3-step spa treatment for your lips, I think this is amazing. I do think it's really cool, and they do complement each other and they do work really well together. So what are your thoughts? Have you got these yourself? Do they work for you, or have you just got one or two of the items? I'd love to know what you think as well. And also, do your lips turn a different colour? I hope you enjoyed this first impressions review. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.